in Islamabad. But we'd like them to come here also because the most, and I'd like NIM and the federal government to do this, because the most important thing is learning from each other, learning from experience from other provinces. Though some of you might have worked in KPK and in other provinces apart from your home province, but if we have people from all provinces and all services, you learn from each other. I saw the report, I heard the report which Mr. Khalik Sheikh had presented. You've had a very good faculty who's taught you. You've got outside lectures from almost all fields. One area that I thought was missing and should have been included is a lecture on climate change, because the effects that climate change is having in our country, throughout the world, it's a global phenomenon, but especially our country, because we do not contribute to the menace of climate change, but we are one of the recipients of the dangers of climate change. And especially if you all remember, in the province of Sindh and in Balochistan, the floods of 2022 are a example of that. So one area I thought that I'd mention is that if the faculty or outside lectures, you can have people talking about climate change, its effects, and how we can mitigate those. Secondly,